Alright, and welcome back. And finally, today I have another episode or part, and this is how to make a dash game, and this is part 2. You remember we made these enemies. If you haven't checked out part 1, please do it. I explained cloning of enemies and all. So now I'm having an idea that this guy should like have an arrow, and that arrow will be stuck on him, and it's gonna point towards the direction of our mouse point. I know it's not that easy, but I'll try my best to do that. Okay, let's find a arrow, or do I have to create the arrow? Okay, I may have to create the arrow. Let's just create a sprite fast. No, 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 no. Yeah, so we'll just need 2 lines like this upward, and if you press shift you can make a straight, means like a 45 degree or 90 degree, or means like straight line, or else a yeah, just a straight line. So just do that. I'll say it is a little bit long. Yeah, it's a perfect size. From there I can say that. And from there, why isn't it telling me? Oh, perfect. That's our arrow. I'm not doing much in the looks and all, but yes, this is what I can bring out. This is going to go. Okay, so let's start with the code. This is going to when flag clicked, looks it should go to the back layer, and it should forever loop. It should go to Steve, means our player, and it should go to Steve. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Go to player, and let's try that out. Alright. Okay, just a little problem that it's center, so we can fix that from here. I know it's meant to be kept in the center, but you can try this out, what I'm doing. More, I'll say more. Oh, oops, sorry. You should be careful that you can lose all that. Alright, now let's see. Oh, wow, that is splendid. And it is gonna point towards mouse pointer. That's what we can add. Point towards mouse pointer, and let's try that out. As you can see, it's kinda off. I'm pointing there, it's like pointing there. Okay, I think so it's because of it. I think so I should add it in sleeping direction. Alright, this like this. So you can just make minor adjustments. Yeah, now it's working. So this is what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to like the player. Okay, so the player is supposed to point in 90 directions at the start, and afterwards it is always going to point towards mouse pointer, or either you can say point towards that. Oh no, but I think so that should happen. For we can add an if then, and we can say if then equals to, we have to make a variable, like whenever after we click it is supposed to point in direction of this, like this direction it's supposed to point later on that. So let's just go to motions, point towards mouse pointer only if then our, let's type a variable, no sorry, let's take point start. Okay, let's say this if the point starts equals to pointing over, okay. If then mouse down, instead of this complicated, you can just add in this. This is like weird. Alright. And it should be in the left right. Means like it's like being upside down if it goes it, then so that we can take means like I'll give you an example. This faces this, it goes properly, but over here it is upside down. So to fix that, we can take this thing called rotation style, left right. So we can try that out. As you can see, it points, okay, left right, up down might not have that, but it's still the best. It takes a majority. If I point up, it stays in that side because I was a little tilted. Okay, this is a little harder. Alright, that's good. Let's just rename the sprite. It will be called, let's think. I have to use some of my brain right now. And don't forget to save your projects because that's my major problem. I really don't save my projects. So let's name that arrow. It's very simple. Okay. So I think so we should make some starting, like play button and all. I'll be showing how to make those. Alright. So let's quickly grab a backdrop where we can add in those. Ha. This is kind of hard. Choosing. How about this? Perfect. I don't. Okay, no. Like, okay, this is gonna be a whole upcoming one. So this, I think so. This is a better backdrop than the brown one. So I'll make the play button. Means like I'm gonna be making it in here. Let's select all that, delete, convert to vector, and let's start drawing our vectors, whatever thing. So what we can do is save a project, then let's start the design. Let's take this guy. I'll quickly draw it, and let's say we need our Steve's head to look. Oh shoot. You guys can draw depending upon your sprites. I'll just copy that, paste it. Oh shit. Just zoom in. And now I'll have to hide this, hide that, hide that. Here it is. Now what we want to do is, what is happening? Why can't I scroll? Oh, I don't know. Okay, let's just leave it and say that his head is gonna be a little larger and the color will be my favorite, blue. Can I add in shading? Wow, that looks cool. Swap with that's gonna look way cooler. The bucket. Okay, let's turn to bitmap. Oh wow, but the fill should be a little more shadier. This should be more lighter. Alright, this is great. Let's just erase all of these. What? Did I just lose that one? Alright, this is some background we are talking about. Okay, this is, oh, sorry. Control Z is what you can do to erase it. You just copy that, paste it, Zoom in. Enlarge it by a lot. Enlarge it. Alright, that's where we have it. Kind of small it a little bit. And we can have our enemies. As large as that over here. That's called some designings. And we can have an arrow pointing like arrow. We are adding everything we added. Make it larger. Ha. Nah, let's just make that tilted. It's a background, so you can make it as per your looks. However you want it. Convert to vector. Oh, why can't I select that one? Bitmap. Alright. Let's just take that head again. Because that arrow is overlapping the head, which I don't like. Pretty large head. Oh my, that's a very large head for Steve. Okay, that is one art. I think so. The shade is properly not arranged equally. It's pretty much white, which I don't want it. I want it to be in a darker area to a lighter, very light area. And that's what's called this control Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z. Okay, that's the max we can go. Let's take this much. Accept that blade. I really like the blade. Okay, I guess I have to just collect everything. Backspace. Again, have to add a fill bucket. Add it. Wow. Why do I always lose my shade? That's it. This will be going in the lighter form area. Alright, now it's gonna be looking way cooler. Oh, what? What? What happening? Why can't I paste it? No! Delete! I lost my shade again. I think I should do swap. This is good. Oh, that looks splendid. Oh, what did I do? I'm a noob or what? Never. I'm the most pro person in the world there is. Copy. I wasted so much time on just doing this. You guys can skip this part. Alright, that's a little good. This much is the best. Add that here. Please do skip this. It's gonna take me a little bit of time. I'll try to do it fast, not very beautiful or anything. Space that. Am I gonna make it a lot beautiful then? Pretty much no. Take the arrow, copy it, go here, okay, Control Z, 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 Z. I don't have any Z left. It looks so lame. Yeah, that looks kinda good. I can just make it again, that a little bigger. Oh, why am I so dumb? Paste. Enlarge it and just arrange it over here. Please do skip this part. It's just gonna be a time waste. So please do skip it. Alright, that's it. No more adding in stuff. Just add the arrows and then that's gonna be the end. Not the end of the video, there's still a lot to do. Okay, so now what we are gonna be making is the play button and the retry button. Good that I stole stuff. Okay, let's just delete it. Okay, I have a play button. Where is the play button? this is a play button, I'll say. So let's quickly make a new sprite. Let's draw a play button. I'll say this is a play button, not a skip button, because typically it looks like a skip button to me. This is going perfect size. So like when the play button is clicked, it is supposed to like broadcast a message. When this sprite is clicked, then it's supposed to broadcast a message called next start game. And these all are not going to be flagged. It's instead when I receive start game. When flag click, they are supposed to hide. That's what you have to do. And in your show, again the same, but just that you don't need to add hide receive start game. That's perfect. And just the same with this guy, receive start game. Then it's supposed to show, otherwise when flag clicked and it's supposed to hide. It's very simple, you guys can make your own. This is supposed to show when flag click. It is supposed to show. Where is the show? Then when sprite clicked, broadcast that and then hide. And when I receive start game, we can try that out. We have to do that. That's it. Start game. It's supposed to switch to backdrop 2. It's supposed to switch to backdrop 2. Okay, what is a 2? Second backdrop. Let's just not. Oh, what's this? We don't want this as a backdrop. This is play area or something like that. Did I PLAY area? Then this is the screen. I'll just name it fast. No, let's name it proper. Let's say menu. Oh. What am I typing? Menu. Then switch to backdrop. Menu play area. Then when flag clicked, it's supposed to switch to backdrop menu. And this is typically like we wanted a button effect. It should like shrink. Size by -10. Wait for 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. Then it's supposed to change size back to normal. Oh my, this video is getting set size to not change 100. Oh, sorry. I always make this mistake. Negative. Stop it, stop it, stop. Negative 50. Alright. It's supposed to wait for 1 sec. And the mistake is what I'm doing. I didn't put this in the center. So remember to put your things, stuff in the center. And as you can see, 50 is too big. 30 is good. -30. 0.5 is too big. 0.2 is good. 2, and instead of 1 we can put 0.7, something like that. Alright, the game started. And there is the final part, which is part 3, and over there I'm gonna be showing you the means like if he touches those stuff, he dies. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in the third part. So this is the end. Bye bye. See you in the third part. And then the Flappy Bird second part is coming. So stay tuned.